Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Tuesday, August 21st, 2018. Alright, we have a few things to talk about here, and it's gonna be interesting, or something. Let's start off with this. As I am doing this video blog, stocks are higher across the board. No surprise. This environment of risk will be maintained at all costs. That means stocks will go higher. Other assets like precious metals will suffer. Now, it's all not real. And this should put a perspective on what's going on now. And something I've spoken about many times. Again, as I am doing this video blog, the dollar is getting punished. Absolutely punished. Now, the reason for that is pretty simple. President Trump is on the Fed, attacking the Fed, wanting the Fed to keep the easy money going, don't raise rates. So what's the effect of that? Pretty simple. Weaker dollar. Now, we all understand that, the dollar needs to be kept weak. That's the truth here. This will keep cash, again, flowing into the stock market. This also helps companies based here in the United States involved in international trade. So the dollar must be kept weak at all costs. Now, if you also notice, bonds are under some pressure, but there's that compensatory mechanism that I've spoken about a lot. Dollar is weaker, so with the dollar falling like it is in value right now, even though bond yields are creeping higher, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So as long as they can keep the dollar under pressure, we can move around in that sweet spot with regard to the 10-year yield a little more. It's just a game. You all know that. It's incredible. I'll tell you another game that I hate. If you notice, whenever the dollar falls like it is right now, crude oil immediately, boom, it's up over 2%, like 2.3%. And although precious metals, gold and silver, which are also priced in dollars, although they are higher, they're only higher fractionally. Let's see. I wonder why that's happening. Interesting, don't you think? Yeah, exactly. Look, I don't care what comes down the pike anymore. It's the truth. The issues in Turkey are not gone. The issues in Europe are not gone. Although there's basically a complete media blackout. You don't even hear it. Again, you are not going to be allowed to really, worry at all that maybe the market isn't as, things aren't as good as they seem, especially here in the United States with our economy. It's always the same story under any president, doesn't change. Anyway, so let's watch this whole thing. Again, the dollar under all kinds of pressure here. Bond yields are rising here. Bonds are selling off a little bit. Doesn't really matter because of that compensatory mechanism. The stock market loves to hear that the Fed might be forced to stay out of the way a little bit. More easy money. Keep that printing press going here, and that will keep stocks moving higher. And again, it'll magnify the distortions in this market that are already here. And cause malinvestments as well. Cash moving into places where it shouldn't go, coming out of other things. Cryptocurrencies are under pressure as well. Have you noticed how they've managed to keep cryptos, especially Bitcoin, in a very tight range for a long time? All right, whatever with that. I just wanted to bring that up here. Anyway, let's keep an eye on all this, and we will talk later.